Good morning to all. In estimation, costing, and valuation engineering, today we are going to see on the further lesson that is sorry further chapter unit 3, that is specification reports and tenders. We have been repeatedly heard of these names in very common in our day-to-day life, especially in the valuation field or in the estimation field, especially the word tenders. But what about specifications? Specifications is quite much popular, right? So, what in order to describe the nature and class of the work, materials to be used in work, workmanship, etc., we have to give a very clear and clean specifications. So, specification is nothing but it is a detailed description of all the materials, such as all the materials like nature and class of the work and materials to be used for the work and workmanship which are required to complete an engineering project in accordance with drawings and details. So drawings only furnish the data of different forms of the structure, but specification gives the complete detail of the work. So yes, first of all, what is the necessary specifications? Necessary specification is main. One of the major is cost of a unit quantity of work depends on its specifications. So specifications of the work are required to clearly describe the quality and quantity of different materials expected to use for this work. And specification also specifies the workmanship. Specifies the workmanship and the method of doing the work. And it is also necessary to verify and check the strength of materials involved in a project. So, which has been mentioned here. See, what is the purpose of specification is it have to describe the type and quality of every product. So, one specification, if there is a specification, it should possess type and quality of every product required. Specification should describe the requirement for fabrication, erection, application, and installation of finishing. Specifications should describe the quality of workmanship necessary for the work. So what are those quality requirements for the workmanship? It is manufacturing, fabrication, application, installation, and finishing and adjustment. So there are many factors which depends on which these specifications depends. So one is nature of the work, another one is strength of the material, and another one is availability of materials. So there are certain principles in there are there are some principles in writing these specifications. Okay, so what are those principles? Is number one, it is descriptions of material. So what it is may actually it is very so specification language that is nothing but what are the principles of writing a specification. It is simply sorry wait it is simply 4 C's. So what are those 4 C is it should be clear, it should be correct, it should be complete, and it should be concise. So that on describing the description of materials, the quantity and quality of the material required for work shall be fully described. This will enable for checking at the site for the buildings provided in the specifications. And for workmanship, the complete description of workmanship and method of mixing materials, its proportion, method of laying, compacting, finishing, curing shall be reflected in the specifications. And also, in the process of writing the specification, endeavors shall be made to express the requirements of specifications clearly and in concise form without speculation, repetition, and unusual words. So the word should not be repeated. So it should be short and precise. As I mentioned already, 4 C's are the major. As I mentioned already, 4 C's are the very, very important considerations on writing the specifications. Apart from this, so we have seen what is meant specifications, where why we need specifications, and what are the contents to be in the specifications, and how a specifications to be given. Now we are seeing classification of specifications. So in general, there are two types of specifications. One is general specifications, and another one is detailed specifications. So general specification is and otherwise called it as brief specifications. Yes. So general specifications gives the nature and class of the work and materials in general terms to be used in the various parts of the work from the foundation to the superstructure. So general specification is simply a short description. See, it's simply a short description of different parts of the work, specifying materials, proportions, qualities, etc. So general specifications are useful for preparing the estimate and give general idea for the whole work or a structure. See here, I have given these general specifications for a first class building. So as I already mentioned, it is a simply short descriptions of different parts of the work. So let us consider a residential building or a first class building. In that, what are the parts we have? You will be having foundation and then plinth. Then we will be laying damp proof course. Then superstructure. In superstructure, there will be roofing, and then we will lay flooring, and then we will give finishing, and then doors and windows we will be fitting, and then some miscellaneous work. Those miscellaneous works are nothing but the rainwater pipes or sanitary works will come under the miscellaneous work. Okay, it is just simply just see here. See, for foundation they have given. See, they have been mentioned. For foundation, we are using first class brickwork with cement mortar of 1:6, with cement concrete of 1:4:8. These type they will be given. For damp roof course, they have given C. So of 2.5 centimeter thick with cement concrete of 1:1.5 is, yes, it is nothing but 1 is to 1.5 is to 3 cement concrete has been used. For superstructure, 1:6 cement mortar has been used. For roofing, RCC slab and an insulation layer, lime concrete is given with the RCC beam and joist also given. For floors, how we are using mosaic or we are what type of flooring we are use. Here we have here they have given that they have used in mosaic. For bathroom and uh, weathering course floors and dado shall be mosaic. Floors of bedroom shall be colored and polished. So see, so for each and every part of the structure, how it has been done and what been included in that part. This will be explained in the general specifications. On the next class, we will be detailedly seeing about detailed specification. Thank you.